Want to find better keywords in less time? Let AI do the heavy lifting. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by TexasCMO.com. Instead of staring at keyword tools for hours, open ChatGPT or Gemini and ask, give me 20 long tail keyword ideas around whatever your topic is, grouped by intent. AI will spit out clusters you can actually use. They're informational, there's transactional, local searches, all in seconds. Then take those ideas into your favorite SEO tool and check the volume and competition. AI won't replace search tools, but it's going to speed up your brainstorming about 10x. Try it before your next content plan, and you will be shocked how fast you can uncover gaps. Want more AI Marketing Minute hacks? Follow for the next Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute. For more information, visit www.texascmo.com.